morning. I am Anika from the Travel World Online newsroom, bringing you today's headlines shaping the global travel and hospitality trade. In today's bulletin, TravClan expands India's cruise distribution network, Maharashtra rolls out major tourism governance reforms, and Minds on Marketing signs a South American partnership. Plus, Radisson Bengaluru City Centre hosts a major green hospitality initiative, and Lemon Tree Hotels expands deeper into Tamil Nadu. Here is the detailed news. India's fast-growing cruise segment is getting a major digital push. TravClan has been appointed the preferred sales agent in India for Star Dream Cruises. This strategic partnership aims to democratize cruise bookings across the country by leveraging TravClan's robust B2B technology platform. The move will simplify discovery and inventory access for travel agents, specifically targeting high-potential growth in Tier 2 and Tier 3 markets. Both brands emphasize that scaling distribution reach through technology is critical to unlocking long-term demand for experience-led holiday formats among Indian outbound travelers. Next, the Maharashtra government has announced a sweeping policy overhaul, introducing a state-of-the-art destination management model. Moving away from isolated marketing promotions, the state is shifting focus toward destination-level planning, infrastructure building, and enhanced visitor experiences. By creating globally benchmarked travel ecosystems, this structured governance framework aims to draw higher private sector investments, extend average tourist stays, and elevate destinations like Mumbai, Konkan, and Ajanta Ellora onto the highly competitive global travel map. In international trade, Minds on Marketing has been appointed the official sales and representation office in India for Lima Tours, one of South America's oldest and most prestigious destination management companies, established in 1956. This partnership brings premium travel products from 7 key South American destinations including Peru, Brazil, and Argentina directly to the Indian market. Minds on Marketing will focus heavily on driving brand visibility and trade engagement, positioning South America as a highly lucrative, long-haul experiential destination for Indian outbound travelers. Turning to hospitality, Radisson Bengaluru City Centre recently hosted the 5th edition of G-RIAT Conversations in collaboration with the Karnataka Event Management Association. The curated roundtable focused heavily on the future of green meetings, exploring how sustainability is actively shaping corporate MICE, weddings, and social celebrations. Industry leaders emphasized that closer alignment between hotels and planners is vital to executing eco-conscious, impactful events. The evening itself modeled this mindset, showcasing GRT Hotels' green meeting initiatives through sustainable setups, locally sourced culinary menus, and responsible operational practices. Finally, Lemon Tree Hotels has announced the signing of a new 66-room property in Kumbakonam, aggressively expanding its footprint in Tamil Nadu. This move brings the hospitality chain's total portfolio in the state to 8 properties and directly targets India's booming spiritual and heritage tourism corridors. Located just 300 meters from the railway station in Tamil Nadu's iconic temple town, the hotel will offer modern amenities to cater to a steady flow of pilgrims and leisure travelers, reflecting a broader industry trend of hotel brands moving into high-potential Tier 2 and Tier 3 markets. That is all from the Travel World Online newsroom for now. Stay tuned for more industry updates. Have a fantastic day ahead.
You are watching Travel World Online.